The 6,000-acre park features about 20 miles worth of hiking trails along the coast, past rolling grasslands, and through forested areas. Stop by the Salt Point Visitor Center for more information and mapped brochures. 1. Salt Point Trail to Stump Beach, a moderate, 3.3-mile out and back trail offers scenic views and a paved section, for the first 750 feet. At the end of the pavement, hikers have a choice to head down to the beach or continue on along the coastal trail. Bird watching is popular here, especially from March until October. 2. Salt Point and North Trail Loop, a moderate, 8-mile loop trail that features beautiful displays of wildflowers and is accessible year-round. 3. Pygmy Forest Trail, a 4.9-mile lightly trafficked loop trail set at the highest elevation within the park. Although the Bishop and Bolander pine, Mendocino cypress, and redwood trees along the trail are fully mature, most are only a few feet tall.